Grate the onions and sauté them in a pan with some oil. Then add the spices mentioned in the description and sauté. Add the ground beef and sauté for 5 minutes. Now, add the chopped mushrooms with some lemon juice and sauté. Add the tomato paste, tomato puree, and chopped bell pepper. Sauté and then add half a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer with the lid on for 10 minutes. Cook the lasagna sheets in boiling water according to the package instructions, then drain and set aside. For the bechamel sauce, melt the butter and gradually add the flour, milk, salt, pepper, and nutmeg, stirring continuously until it thickens. Spread a layer of bechamel sauce at the bottom of a baking dish. Then, layer lasagna sheets, bechamel sauce, meat mixture, bechamel sauce, and mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers until all ingredients are used. For the final layer, only add bechamel sauce and mozzarella cheese. Place the dish in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. Enjoy!